Hey guys, Eric here with Graybeard Gardening PDX. We got a potato harvest here today from our Yukon Golds. Join me here and we'll go ahead and go over what we did. It's harvest time for the Yukon Golds today at Graybeard Gardening. Not quite dead and bending over, but we are in need of some fabric pots and we're going to go ahead and harvest these and see how they did, because all three of the Yukon Golds are showing that they need to be harvested. So we still got russets there, Yukon Gold, russet, and Yukon Gold. So we're going to pull the three Yukon Golds today. I'm going to get the camera set up. We're going to do this real quick because it's getting late. It's a Yukon Gold planted on the 3rd of March. Just going to pull both of these tags, or all three of these tags. Alright, let's get to it here. We'll see what comes up first when we try to pull this out. One baby Yukon there. I see another. There's another freshy. There's one of our seed potatoes there. There's another, and another. Oh, we got more. Ooh, lots of good looking smaller potatoes. This is kind of like opening a Christmas gift, to be honest with you. It's pretty funny that way. You just never know exactly how you've done on some of these vegetables. That's another seed potato in there, by the way, until you actually get into it, you know. And especially when you're doing a YouTube channel, you don't really know what you're going to do until you finish up. Alright, let's just go ahead and dump the rest of this, see what else is left. I don't think there's anything left. Ooh, there is. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Wow. Guys, we absolutely crushed it in this small little bag. So this was one of the experiments this year. Was, you know, could we run potatoes in 5-gallon bags and get anything worthwhile out of it? And as you can see, those were 2 seed potatoes in a 5-gallon bag, and we got quite a bit. You can see, I mean, it's just, let's count them. About 15 decent sized ones. You add in the little tiny ones and you probably got 20, 25. But that's a pretty good haul for a 5-gallon bag. That's pretty darn good. I'm excited about that. excited about this. This is just crazy. I mean, look at that. It's a good looking potato. So last year was my first year growing potatoes in my garden, and I started making potatoes au gratin because I always have loved those, and that may be what's going to happen with these. Alright, now for the next plant. Let's see how much this comes up. We got a seed potato up. So there's one of the seed potatoes. We got 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. 4. Wow, they're hiding all over the place down here. Guys, I'm impressed. This experiment is a success. 5-gallon growing bags for Yukon Gold so far? I'd say yes. I mean, it's not like we're getting the world out of these, but it is not bad for the space that we're using up. Or better yet, not using. Let's just check the rest of that that's in that bag. See one already right there, sneaking out. Oh yeah, potatoes all over this thing. Uh-oh. Oh. Potato almost escaped. Man, this is so exciting. Alright, so there's our seed potato. Got another fatty right next to that one. God dang, we did pretty good here, guys. Oh, we got more. That looks to be about it. And out of that one we got very few small ones. 1, 2, 17. There. Hey bud, how we doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright. One there. Two nice chunky ones right off the bat. Here's the seed potato number 1. Let's just pull this one. Ooh. Ooh. Another one there. Oh, runaway potato. Oh yeah. And seed potato number 4. Now, I know there's more potatoes down in here. Okay, keep searching. God dang it. Living on a hillside with the driveway is kind of tough. These potatoes. Wow, we're really getting some good ones. Well guys, if you ever have doubts about growing potatoes in grow bags, I would say my experience so far is that grow bags do very well for potatoes. In fact, getting them out compared to when they're dug into the ground, I'd say this is definitely the way to do it. Oh, I knew we'd find one. That looks to be about it. Okay, to be fair, I'm not going to count that one because that one I know was up near the surface. You can see the green on it. That was in the sun for a short while, so we're not going to count that because I'm probably not going to eat it. So to be fair, that one is not being counted. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 smaller ones. You can see those down here. And we got $36 nice sized potatoes just from that one grow bag. And that was 4 seed potatoes. So we did pretty well overall with that. Let's take a look at the whole harvest here together. That's going to be some tasty meals right there. Yukon Gold. This is our harvest from our Yukon Gold potatoes. This was 3 grow bags worth, and we got about 65 good sized potatoes, about 70 or 80 if you count the small ones. Not bad.